Oh, oh my god! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Woo! Dad, pull up, pull up, pull up! Yeah!
Lucky day for catching Almaco Jacks. Bonito.
Nice.
It's the movie.
Alright guys, so we're here in America's Cup. Drove around all these different spots. Didn't really see anything. So I can get this spot a shot again. If not, we're just gonna have to move on to somewhere else or go home. We'll see. I only have one battery. I got to bring the other one, so this is gonna be a short vlog. Let's go, Bream. I'll just put it here for now.
Bonito?
Go, mommy, go. Oh, oh my god. Oh, oh, it's three, it's three. Oh my gosh. That's insane. Oh. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Woo. Oh, oh. Keep throwing, keep throwing. Keep throwing. I can't fish, guys. My rod's like doesn't have a hook on it now. Yeah, it's on. Oh, it's a group of them, like 5 of them. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Woo! Dang it, right when my rod doesn't have a hook. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, oh, oh!
Ada yung isang kawayan di spot siya eh. Potol, wala na. Ano yung kawayan di spot siya?
Hmm? Yeah. That's insane. Oh my gosh. Oh, 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 it's there, it's there, it's there. It's just right there. Oh my god. Oh, they're too big, Ma. They're too big.
Kunin niyo yung... Hindi pa?
Let's go, Junjun. There has to be a big line. Look, they're just there, they're just there. Just throw something and they'll come.
Huwag ka naman tapon ako. Huwag na lumapit dito. Yan, mas lalong laki nung isa, oh.
Oh!
Naku.
Oh, Dad, you didn't get it?
Hindi.
Hey, Puggy, look, 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 look.
Nag-isa mo na konti-unti na.
Yeah, it's like 5 of them. All the lions broke.
Why?
They're freaking big. Look, look, look. Dad's trying to handline now. Go, Dad, go. Woo! Oh my god, pull up, pull up, pull up. Yeah! And they're still there. Look, they're still there. Good job, Dad. Wow. Got my brother on the phone.
Oh, they're still eating too.
Yeah, they're still eating. They're not even phased that they just lost a comrade.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
Yeah, but everything's just snapping. Look, they're freaking hungry. Huh?
Just use the hand line.
Yeah, we're using the hand line now because everything on the line's just snapping.
Oh, how many of them were already snapped?
3.
They're still biting?
4. Yeah, and they're still biting. Like they don't care.
That's good.
Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, go Dad. Go, go, go. Yeah. Alright, let's keep it.
Keep feeding.
Yeah, they're still around. There's one right there. That's insane. Alright, let's go. Nice, Dad.
Yeah.
Wow. Awesome. Are they still there?
Yan na pa.
Balik kayo ulit.
Just keep on throwing fries.
Alright.
It's the best day.
I think you caught the leader because now they're gone.
Almaco Jacks. Yan pa.
Wow, look at the size of these things, guys. Whoa. Oh! Oh! Yo! No, almost. He's gonna bite it. Just wait. Boom! 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 Good job, Dad.
Throw some 3 fries, 3 to 4 fries.
Let's go. Nice. Huh?
How many were there in total?
Like 5.
Oh, so the other 2 that got hooked are gone?
There's a lot of mackerel now.
There's like 2 more, I guess. And now there's mackerel. Oh, there's support. There's another one.
There's another one.
Motherfucker does not lose it. Wait, just keep it there, Dad. He's gonna come get it.
There.
Yan. Almost. He's gonna go for it. What the heck?
Probably the one that got hooked.
Yeah. Sorry, Dad.
That's probably the one that got hooked already.
Probably. But we lost 4 of them from the pole.
You lost 4?
Yeah. And they just keep coming back.
There was 5 of them, but you lost. So there must be hooks on one of those 3 or
Probably.
more.
Oh. There's a 2. Yeah. Oh wait, no, that's snapper, but there's one Bonito. Come on. Oh, this one's learned this lesson. Like all the friends are gone. Yeah, oh my god.
Dapat yung buhay.
Yan pa dado. Ano ang lagay mo?
May buhay ako dyan yata sa tibay. Yeah. Still alive. Lucky day for catching Almaco Jacks. Bonito.
Nice.
See? It's still moving.
Wait. Yeah, like
Yeah.
that.
It's a good day.
Alright, good
We are
job.
blessed today.
Yeah.
Alright.
I didn't have the GoPro on, but Mom got a mackerel. Nice on me. Yeah. Oh, they're right there. I can go pretty far with mine.
Dilis na do, marami ang supis pati. Marami ang supis, manghuli ka ulit.
There's a bream. Huh? What's that?
Huh?
Catching bream, guys. Oh, mommy. It's over there. Get it. Yeah. Nice. Alright, yeah. I didn't have the GoPro on. Are you kidding me? I did not have the GoPro on at all. So basically, I threw my line down and I didn't even like notice that the mackerel already took my line. Yeah. Alright guys, we're heading home now and this is what we were able to catch today. Yeah. There we go. Alright, not bad.
Yeah. Good day for fishing.
Alright.
We're lucky that
Nice.
you know, they are really hungry. These 3 there are 5 of them.
Yep.
But 2 get get lost. So
Look at
we
that.
catch the 3.
Oh, these are huge. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Look at that. Nice.
You see?
Alright. Alright guys, that's about it for the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next one. Oh my god. Woo! Oh my god!